National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hinckley to near Leland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sugar Grove, Lake Holiday, Plano, Hinckley, Sandwich, and Somonauk around 2:10 p.m. North Aurora around 2:15 p.m. Geneva, Yorkville, Montgomery, Aurora, and Batavia around 2:20 p.m. Oswego around 2:25 p.m. Boulder Hill and West Chicago around 2:30 p.m. Plainfield around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Millbrook, Gainesville, Millington, Little Rock, Big Rock, and Bristol, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 107 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no